Our state is home to many amazing athletes. From hitting the slopes to battling in the octagon, competitors in New Mexico can be found just about anywhere. That's why in tonight's Send Steve Where I was sent to a place to meet some athletes who just want to lace things up, and so I joined them in one of our state's most physical sports. This
together
is the Albuquerque Roller Derby.
There she is. It's a relatively new league. It's 3 years old, and it is co-ed. That's the only co-ed in the state.
The action happens on this flat track in Expo, New Mexico. The players, people who call the Duke City home.
We are about community, family, athletics, and really being there for one another.
Megan Butler has been a derby player for 9 years.
It gives me an easy way to stay in shape because I'm not someone who enjoys going to the gym, but I really like this.
Roller derby isn't just about skating, it's much more.
Our games are called bouts. They're 60 minutes long. They're divided into 2 halves, and each half consists of what we call jams.
Hold it, middle, going in, middle, together.
So when a jam starts, 5 players from each team enters the track. You've got 4 blockers from each team and 1 jammer.
The jammer is the skater with the stars on her helmet.
All of the blockers line up, preparing to stop the other jammer from getting through and to help their jammer get through.
Jammers score 1 point for their team every time they lap an opponent. So how physical is the action on the flat track?
As physical as any contact sport. So as physical as hockey, as physical as football.
After watching for a few minutes, the team insisted I gear up and hit the track myself. Once I had my skates on, I quickly learned.
We're gonna go out and in.
Turns out, I'm a horrible skater.
Yeah, pick up some speed.
But I was determined not to let the team down.
Foot goes in front. Okay. I turn the direction I want to go, and I push off with the other foot.
After some stretching, I decided to hang up my skates. While roller derby isn't something I am good at, Butler says anyone is welcome to give it a try.
If you are 18 and are interested, or if you're 50 plus and you're interested and you're willing to put the work in, because this is a contact sport and you do need to work at it.